Welcome, mates. This is my first video that I'm putting online. Yeah, it's nice shit. You guys want to learn how to lockpick, yeah? Well, the first thing you got to know is how a lock works. See, along this line, it's the shear line. These are the pins, this is the tumbler. When you put a key in, it lines them up, and you just pop open the lock. Pretty simple, yeah? You just got to line up the pins, and you pop open the lock. Now this is a joke of a lock. Look at this. This takes seconds to do. Done. It's a joke. Don't learn with these. I mean, if you wanted to get practice just popping open the pins, because these are the only two that actually matter in this lock from me. This one, this one. Otherwise, it's a waste of time. This here, this is what I learned on. This is a fun lock. Real fun. When it comes to lock picking, see, you got this. You got your tension wrench. You got your picks. I'm just doing a standard rake. You kind of just rake it around for a couple seconds, and it should pop open. You feel a little bit of give. That's how you know you're almost done with the lock. Sometimes you gotta let some out, all the pins. Sometimes you gotta let them back in. It's all variables in the lock. Oh shit, there we are. See? Simple rake of a lock. If you want to get really fun, if you're crafty and such, oh, well, I should go over this. This is your basic tumbler. It's inside of every lock, like one of these. See? It goes right in the outside. This is where your pins sit, along this line. And then you pop in your picks on the top. And your tension wrench on the bottom. This here is actually a pretty simple lock to do. This is the second lock I ever learned on. Get one of these. It's a basic Brinks. You get it at Home Depot. If you can pick this, you can go on to the next video. It's real simple. Try and get some nice rake. This is a really simple try rake. This seemed to do it pretty quick too. Just a city rake. And this is your precision picks. This is when you're going for the proper quick set kind of thing. Because I've been trying for a while now with the rakes, and it's not raking right. At least something's wrong with this rake, I think. But a traditional just pick on one of these quick sets works great. Enjoy. Just start building up your collection, you know. The first thing I ever got was from my roommate. He gave me just this big old thick one. See? Oh shit, the camera's not focusing on it. Well, it's a really basic one. And then he gave me this wrench. The first wrench I ever got. Does this job. But get you one of these simple Brink locks. Practice on it, and I promise, when you can pop up on one of these, you will feel, it's such enjoyment. You feel so good. Just get one, practice for a little bit, and then come back to me. Thanks.